Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, firstly, you need to open Petal Search application, click Go It, agree, and find here Hello, and find here open the keyboard and find here Niagara launcher. Find this app in the APK Pure, click Petal Search, set as default, consent, and download. Click Allow, download, and wait a while. Click Allow, install, open, agree and continue. And great, here you need to choose your favorite applications and click OK, and great. As you can see here, we have really minimalistic design without denying features, without additional features. So here we have only favorite applications, search by keyboard, and search by alphabetical line. So if you want to find any application, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to desired later. For example, I want to find Play Store, so I just put in my finger on B button, and here, of course, on Huawei devices we have no Play Store. So for example, I want to find Petal Search, and here we have Petal Search, Petal Map on, and Petal Click, for example. Okay, on the second place I have Smart Launcher 6. Just find it, click install, and download. Click settings, click allow install apps, and try to do it again, install, download again, install. Great. Now go to the home screen, find here Smart Launcher, get started, agree, confirm, continue, allow, confirm, exit, and great. As you can see here, we have really beautiful interface with Smart Search feature. You need to try it. I think you will love this feature. And here we have our main menu with really handy app grouping feature. For example, here I have all my contacts, here all media, games, media, utilities, and settings. Great. So at the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. open it, click download, and click download. Click install, and click open. Click I agree, get started, hello, continue. Here you can connect your Microsoft Launcher to the Microsoft account, choose your favorite apps, click continue, let's go. Now you can try it. Okay, as you can see, here we have our glance panel. Here we can set up all our favorite widgets. Here we have our favorite apps line, so we can set here all our favorite apps. Here we have my menu. We can hide unused applications. Here we have launcher settings, and here we can set up gestures, for example, or visual appearance. I suggest to try gestures feature in this launcher because it works really great. For example, I want to open books application using just swipe from up to down using the fingers. And as you can see, book application is running. Click agree and great. So that's it. And if you want to set this launcher as default, as you can see now, when I go into the home screen, I'm going to the Huawei launcher. But if you want to set your Microsoft launcher as default, just open settings, then scroll down, find your apps and services, find your default apps, home app, and choose Microsoft launcher. And great, now as you can see, Microsoft Launcher is my default launcher. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.